Good afternoon, student. Today our topic is escape velocities. You will throw a body in upward directions to a certain height. After some time, it fall back. If the body attains the sufficient velocity, it will escape from the gravitational pull of the earth. That the minimum velocity is called as your escape velocity. So how we define the escape velocity? The minimum velocity with which the body projected vertical upward, it will escape from the gravitational pull of the earth. That minimum velocity is called as your escape velocity. Now consider a body, mainly a satellite of mass m at a distance x, initial at a distance x from the center O. So at this point P, what is the force of attraction between the earth and the body? M, small that is. Okay. Here F is equal to G M by x square. Okay. Now shift the body to a distance dx from P to Q. So what is the work done here? Is shifting the body in upward direction from P to Q. This is the work done against the force of gravity. Here. So dw is the small work done. In moving the body from P to Q to a distance dx. Okay. Already shown in the figure, this one. And this work done is against the force of gravity. Here W equal to F dx. F is equal to your m by x square dx. Now, what is total work done? On moving the body upward directions from r to infinity, from the surface of r to infinity distance. Okay. So, total work done from this point to infinity. It means x equal to r to x equal to infinity. Okay. Integrating the work done equations now. dw g m r to infinity, that is 1 by x square dx. After integrating this one, gmm minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 w gmm x minus 1 to minus 1 r to infinity. Okay. This is the method of integrations. You have to solve in this way. It is your minus g mm 1 by x r to infinity. Putting upper limit minus lower limit here. Okay. The equation became one by infinity minus 1 by r. So w is equal to g m by r. Okay. In order to escape from the gravitational pull of the earth, from the surface of the earth, the kinetic energy of the body must be greater than equal to this work done. Okay. So kinetic energy must be greater than equal to work done in order to escape from the gravitational pull of the earth. So it is half m mass of the body with the velocity. Right, it is stand for escape velocity. dE greater than equal to your m by r. Cancel this factor and equalize is below. 2 gm by r. Then v equal to 2 gm by r. This is one of the equation of escapability. We know the mass of the r, the value of g and r, we will calculate easily. But you know that g is equal to gm by r square, so gr equal to gm by r. We will modify these equations now. G equal to 2gr. Put in the value 9.8, 6.4, 10^6 centimeter per meter square into millimeter. And count to it is 11.2, 10^3 meter per second and 11.2 kilometer per second. Practically, the escapability is more than this value. Okay, calculated value. The escapability not depend upon the mass of the body. It depend upon the small g, the radius of the earth. Also depend upon the mass of the earth. Okay.